Unscrew the outer screws of the battery base. Disassemble the protective cover. Loosen the screws of the base. Use a tool to loosen the screws of the connecting wires, to separate the base from the car machine wires. When installing, place it in along the mold. There is a notch on the mounting buckle. Align it with the notch and put it in. Then tighten it with screws. Arrange the frame wires properly. Finally, install all the screws of the base. Then the installation is completed.